Yummy pancakes, Thomas. Delicious. Good eye-hand coordination. Yummy. Uh-oh. Thomas, do you like it? Do you like pancakes? I think you dropped some. I think you dropped some. You have some more here. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Right there. Oh. I'll give you some more. I'll get some more, Thomas.